Hey guys, it's me from Creative Learning, and this video I will show you how you can create different type of landscape materials in Unreal Engine, and also you can call these different type of paint in landscape. So for that you need to click right mouse and then click on a material, then you can give it your material name. Then for here I use standard content materials. So for here you need to drag and drop this ground, and you can see you can't, if you want to, you can't add like this, so you need to find the textures. Okay, in here landscape you can add textures, so we go to textures and here you find all the textures. So for that let me drag and drop this texture, this one for my first ground, then we use this one and I use this ground. Okay, so there's a three type of ground like here. So make sure that you need the UVI textures. So here is the UVI texture, this one for the ground. The UVI texture is this. So we also set simple same by same, and then this one UVI settings, and then we set the third one. It's mean that this one textures, so this one UVI this. And now what will we do is we search landscape. Okay, you just search land, you find these things, that curves, code of the colors, and then you need the blind. Okay, the blind give you the heightness and whiteness. So first we need to duplicate it one more time and just little bit here, and just input with this, just only UVI, so it will be get the colors automatically, and just connect with this and this. After then we go on the blind setting and add 0 1 2. Okay, so there's our three type of materials, we paint three type, that's why. And then we just plus it and set the name what you want. In my case I will first set it GRASS, and then set the blind type, heightness and the whiteness, then set the preview is equals 1. Okay, and then we also do the same thing. So we set second one is for mud, and mud equal to heightness and the whiteness and 1, and we set the two numbers is also that heightness, and set it rock. Okay, for my example also we can set mud 2. Okay, and then preview 1. So here's our structure right now, and basically what we'll be do is also we duplicate it and also attach with this. So first input this one with this one, RB equal to muds, then A. Okay, let's make sure you don't do any mistake or it will be not work. And then we set this basic colors. Okay, it is the basic colors of the materials, and then we set the UVI the same way, just A and B, RBJ and A. Now we just set input this with to normal. Okay, now if we press saved, and after then the materials complete, we can see what we want. Okay guys, now it's done. So here is, you can see the materials are now fully applied. Okay, then we go on the standard content. Here you can see that our material is come. So we go on, here is I already created landscape, so we just drag and drop this. So first time it will be not display or it will be show black. So for that we go on the maps, go on the paint, and here you can see all the data is come. So just click on right mouse, then whiteness and beyond layout, then set where you want to save. Also do the same thing. Okay, this content, now give it some time to load this. Okay, and then will be saved, all saved. Okay, okay guys, so now you can see it's applied, fully successful. and you can see first time it will be can display like this because what is the first materials, and then we just click on saved all. Now which brush you want, you can just set, and just when you are just first time paste it will be like this blank, don't worry, then set also the second one. So here you can see the standard is now applying, so you also need to give some time to load first time, because all the first time it will be get all the compiling the shadows, then the textures, so that's why first time it needs some time. So guys, you can see the applies. So first let me remove this whole thing. So here you can see now we can easily print how much we want, like if I press this one mud, and now we just click on the right mouse and just paint. So here you can see we find the different type of the brush. You can also change this range by this, so it will be apply one by, so it will be best to give you a high quality texture. So you can see it's automatically match with these grass to these colors, okay, and you also set these ones, okay. So you can see it's now don't showing very good because I don't build the lights, so that's why. But when you build the lights it will be you find that it will be display very cool, okay. So I hope you like my videos, so please like, subscription and hit the bell icon. If you have a question in comments to comment box, or and also this project is available in the description link below, so you can download and check out.